Good morning, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Irma. Today's video we're going to be decorating our living room area for Thanksgiving. So I do have my main Christmas tree out already, and then I'm just going to kind of switch up the garland here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove everything from the TV stand or the TV console, and then I'm going to give it a quick wipe down.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said.
So a couple days back, I did pick up this new garland here at Kohl's. I shared it over on my Instagram that I ended up paying a total of $8 with some change for a $30 garland. So yeah, I love this garland. It feels like a real touch garland. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it here. I want to kind of replicate what I did in our entryway. If you guys saw that first Thanksgiving decorating video that I had shared a couple weeks back. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and quickly start fluffing it out. Then I have another one of those fall garlands, like the one that was normally here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that back in here and then twine it with the new garland, while this Christmas garland, just to make it blend in and look more natural. And after we're done adding this garland, we are gonna go ahead and bring back the pumpkins.
I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said.
So now that the garland is done, I love the way it turned out. So now we're just going to go ahead and quickly wipe down our fireplace because it can't get really dusty, especially since it's brown. It's very noticeable. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring in some cozy warm lights by turning on that lamp there. Then I'm just going to fluff up this sofa, straighten out the blanket again, and then add our throw pillow, of course. Then we're going to go ahead and move on to the main sofa area. So over here on the sofa, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff out once again all of the throw pillows, including the pillows or like the back part of our main sofa. And then on that orange plaid pillow, I'm actually going to be turning it around this time. I've never done it ever since I bought these pillows, which has been many years ago. Those orange pillows are from Costco. But this year I decided to go ahead and do a more and share Thanksgiving video with you guys, because I know Thanksgiving is pretty much just like one day that everybody decorates just for that day and then jumps back into Christmas again. But I went ahead and turned those around because the other side says gather. And so I went ahead and turned it around on both of them just to bring in a different touch. So what I'm doing this year is incorporating a little bit of Christmas items like my Christmas tree, the garland, stuff like that. Also with my fall decor, because I'm not ready to get to let go of my fall decor, but I want to go ahead and start bringing out more Christmas stuff. So once it's time to decorate for Christmas, which will be pretty soon, I already have like my main garlands already fluffed out, make it easier for me, and my main Christmas tree and all the other Christmas trees already out and fluffed out, just making it a whole lot easier for when it's time to start decorating for Christmas, which I believe I will start decorating for Christmas in my next video. So by this time, I'm super excited to start decorating and sharing all my Christmas ideas with you guys this year. I am going for a little different type of style than what I normally do. Last year, since I was working at Burlington, I didn't share much of my Christmas decor. So I only shared when I decorated, I believe, the kitchen and probably the dining room. But the living room, I believe I did not share that with you guys. So this year, I am a stay-at-home mom again. For now, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and share all of my decor for my Christmas time with you guys. And then here on the table, I'm just gonna go ahead and switch out the centerpiece, like the floral picks, and then I did bring back those orange ball florals there because I really like those. And then the magnetic tiles, of course, they're gonna stay there because Jayla is still playing with those when she's home or on the weekends, and I don't want to remove that for her. And over here behind the sofa, since I removed it from the wall, we do have this thin table here. It's not a very long one, it's short. I think I'm going to have to build one to make it longer. But for now, this one is going to be working, and I'm just wiping it down and redecorating it, refreshing it with our usual items as well as our usual fall items, and then bringing in, of course, these Christmas trees that are from the Target dollar spot.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath.
On our little side table here, I decided to use my King of Christmas wreath. This is a new wreath that I received this year since I am collaborating with King of Christmas for the 2024. And I went ahead and picked their 4-piece because I needed the non-flocked version of these trees because I have the flocked ones that go with my flocked tree. But since I'm doing a green tree, a green theme this year, I needed the non-flocked version. So I went ahead and picked these and got these sent to me. But I'm just going to go ahead and fluff out this huge wreath, and then I added my bow right there in the center. I had this one on the table behind the sofa with the plant inside, but I'm just going to go ahead and remove the little plastic it has there to open the hole for the pot, and then I'm going to add these fall stems in there and then just fluff them out.
Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes.
Now for this area, there's not much to do, but I did have to remove that box and that other tree, as well as these items that were from the entryway. I'm just going to fluff up the pillows, dust off over here on this chair. I'm going to switch out this warm blanket and add it to my sofa. You guys will see that in a bit, but I'm going to bring this lighter one that was by the fireplace and add it here. And then by the fireplace, of course, I'm going to add another blanket. I love having throw blankets around the house everywhere at this time of year because whenever you want to cuddle up, you could just simply grab one and take it to the sofa and cuddle up on the sofa with some hot cocoa, a warm coffee, a tea, and watch some Christmas movies like we're starting to play now. So I know I'm decorating for Thanksgiving. Halloween has passed, and I don't know, it's just like I have Christmas movies on the TV. But now we're going to go ahead and sweep our floors, and then we have some more cleaning up to do in different areas. But I hope you guys are enjoying today's video.
The sun take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone says.
And for the bottom of my tree, I'm just going to use this brown blanket to throw as my tree skirt this year. I do have like a dark brown box that I had built, but it's for my white tree, but I did not want to use that this year, so I'm just going for something very easy, traditional, and warm and cozy. So I'm just going to add this throw blanket here on the bottom like I did to our Christmas tree in the dining room. If you guys saw that video, I just loved how that turned out. But this is the blanket that was on the green sofa over there in the hallway, and I'm just going to add it here and then re-put the throw pillows on top.
When you hold on to a helping hand, sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and quickly move into the boys' bathroom or the kids' bathroom and the guest bathroom. My daughters use this bathroom as well. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly wipe down the counters with some Clorox wipes. And then I'm also going to be wiping down the toilet, fixing the curtain and their towels as well. Because I don't know, they always hang them, but I feel like they don't hang them right. Sometimes they're like slightly touching the floor or they look like they're going to slip off. So we're just going to go ahead and focus on tidying up in here. And then I have some stuff to do in the kitchen.
That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces.
So here in the kitchen, there's not much I'm going to be doing. It's pretty much already cleaned. I do have to empty out the dishwasher. There's a couple dishes inside the sink that we're going to go ahead and quickly wash. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add them to the dishwasher so they can air dry. I prefer to wash dishes this day instead of just starting the dishwasher because there wasn't much. It was just like 2 or 3 cups, a couple of spoons and bowls. So nothing too big to be running a whole load of dishes in the dishwasher, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly hand wash them.
Sundown and salty cheese. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start.
So I did receive some Happy Meal on this day, and we're going to go ahead and quickly open it together and see them. So I did order some new smaller size knives because if you guys been around for a while, or like if you guys know, I just love using the smaller knives compared to bigger knives, for especially for certain stuff, like when I'm gonna prep a sandwich or the kids are gonna cut like a lemon or something. We always just reach for a smaller knife. I don't know, there's just something with smaller knives that I really enjoy using to chop vegetables and stuff like that. So I did order this pair from Amazon. It's a pair of paring knives, but I gotta be honest with you guys, this one here is gonna be my favorite knife. The other one has a little odd shape, but I know that will work great for like paring, like if you need to peel like the potatoes or stuff like that. This knife here is the one that's going to do the perfect job for you. We normally use like a peel, like that little thingy that you use to peel potatoes. But I know there's some stuff that we do like to peel by hand, like with the knife, and not use that because sometimes I feel like the potato peeler does not help with it. So we always need a knife. So I went ahead and picked up this set of 2. I love that it's black. It matches my new bread knife, if you guys saw that video, and then it matches my black set. So I just went ahead and quickly washed it. I pulled out a bowl because for dinner I'm going to be making some mole. I did share when I made mole on Instagram. Of course, I share everything over on Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, make sure you guys do, because I always share like behind the scenes and other stuff that happened here in the house or in our life. So yeah, I just went ahead and took that out to defrost, and now by this time my stomach is craving some lunch, so we're gonna go ahead and quickly make a sandwich. I am using lettuce from our garden, and it is just so exciting to be able to use stuff you have harvested and grown through the year. So this lettuce is still growing in our backyard. This is from our fall garden that we started back in the end of August. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly prep a sandwich, of course, and then or I'm going to be sharing all of the afters with you guys. I'm going to be using my new knife, which I am so excited to use them, especially because they're so sharp. And since I did get an order this morning, we have some deli ham, fresh deli ham from the bakery area. So I just love enjoying a nice sandwich with that ham over there, which is something that we normally ever eat here in the house. We hardly ever eat sandwiches, but once in a while there is a craving for a sandwich, of course. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are new over here on my channel and enjoy watching cleaning and decorating videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each and every time I upload a new video. And now I'm going to be sharing all of the afters with you guys. Once again, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
These words don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God in the sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. Small talk on busy streets. Right now, I don't even know if I deserve you. Sometimes